Yes, sir.
Tell me something about yourself.
I am Srihari. I am based out of Bangalore. I am a recently qualified chartered accountant in May 2023. I have done my 3 years of articleship with Vishnudaya and Co, which is a leading firm in Bangalore. I have mainly done my articleship in statutory audit and direct taxation domain. In statutory audit, I have covered all major financial statement line items like revenue, leases, fixed assets, employee benefit expense, etc. I have also done a brief internship at CA Monk, which is into upskilling for finance professionals. I have also done a certificate course in US GAAP and IFRS from EY Virtual Academy. I h- I am interested in Ind-AS and I look forward for an opportunity in this domain. Thank you.
Right. Okay. So what about your major clients that you handled? Can you brief some of them? What work you have done in a major client? Yeah.
Yeah, I have done in various sectors, as I have mentioned in my resume. I have mainly done in software. In software, I have done for uh, clients like Nutanix, which is an listed company in Nasdaq. It's an Indian subsidiary I have audited. In that, majorly I have done employee benefit expenses.
Okay. What
In that,
areas in employee benefit? What did you check in employee benefit expenses?
I have done the ghost employee check. I have done the payroll to net pay to pay register matching. That is payment as per GL to payment as per our salary sheet. I have also done I have also done joining employees test of controls and left employees test of controls. So this
Right.
is what I have done.
Okay. And how do you check the fixed assets?
Yeah, fixed assets. First, we check the existence assertion. For existence, we check the whether the legal title and the title deeds are available with the company, and we go and inspect some samples assets whether they are in good condition, and we take management representation about them. We we take a management representation about completeness also, that all the fixed assets have been recorded. We also do ledger scrutiny whereby we check that small items are not capitalized, and whether GST credit has been claimed. If GST credit has been claimed, then depreciation, it should not be capitalized and depreciation will not be calculated on that. Then we check the accuracy of accuracy assertion, whether the valuation is correct, and we recalculate the depreciation workings.
Okay. And
These are the
what is the difference between IFC testing and IFCR testing in written?
IFC testing is done by management, which is mandatory for listed companies. It is mandatory as per section 134 of the Companies Act 2013. IFCOR, that is Internal Financial Control over Financial Reporting. Auditor is required to give a report. There are certain exemptions for private companies. That is, if turnover is less than 50 crore, and if they don't have their public deposits and debentures, and their loan
What are
amount
the
is less than
components in
50,
IFC testing? What do we check? What are the things are included in IFC testing?
we check overall internal controls, and we give a report in 143.3, that what are the management responsibilities related to uh, design, implementation, and maintenance of internal control. And we
Okay,
check,
what is the
for
journal
example,
entry? What is the journal entry in the books of the lesser as per the index, relevant index?
okay,
Lesser. Hmm.
as per Ind AS 116, in books of lesser, we classify them as operating lease and finance lease. What is finance lease is if
Okay, I
there are
don't want
five
to know the
conditions.
definition. What will be the journal entry in
Okay.
the case of finance lease?
Okay, we'll derecognize the financial asset and record lease receivable. The entry will be lease receivable account debit to the asset which is given on lease.
Okay.
And there is one more operating lease. Operating lease will normally record like any other income, P&L account debit to, sorry, bank account or debtor account debit to income receivable. Then that receivable income received will be transferred to P&L, income received to
Why does
P&L.
Ind AS 116 was introduced?
It was introduced to bring off-balance sheet items onto the balance sheet for better and transparency in the financial statements. Earlier, ROU asset and lease liability were not recognized, especially like airline company. There was no assets because they had only leased assets. Because of introduction of this Ind AS 116, now ROU asset is capitalized in book. So it
Okay, why
leads
you
to
want to
better
join?
transparency.
Okay. Okay. Why you want to join the accounting advisory?
I in my long-term prospect, I look myself as to become an Ind AS expert. I love this financial reporting kind of roles. That is the reason why I want to join financial this accounting advisory services
To
profile.
which companies Ind AS is not applicable?
It is applicable for all listed companies, and if turnover is sorry, net worth is greater than 250 crores, it is applicable. For companies for which net worth is below 250 crores, Ind AS is not applicable.
Okay, what is the due date of transfer pricing audit report?
It is 30th November for Form 3C, 3CEAA, 3CEB, and others.
Okay, what is risk control matrix?
A risk control matrix, it is the matrix which defines all the controls, the risk areas and respective controls designed by the management.
Okay. Why do we hire you?
Because I am during my articleship, I have displayed that I take ownership of my work, and I have done course in US GAAP and IFRS, which will add value during in this if I join this profile, and I'll give. I think I will be a good fit to this profile, and it will also help me to do a career in India.
Okay, are you
That
also applying in campus? Are you applying in campus interview also?
yes, I am thinking of applying in campus. I have applied for campus interview.
You have applied for campus interview. Okay. In case you get this offer letter and you get a better opportunity than this, okay, will you go for that or you will stick to this?
No, as of now, more than CTC, as I have mentioned to HR also that for me, profile is more important than whatever CTC I get.
Okay. I think it's good. Okay, we'll get back to you. My team will get back to you in case HR team, in case you'll shortlisted for the next round. Okay. Regarding the feedback, I'll
Thank
give
you.
you, coming to the same link, I'll give you the feedback where you have to improve. Thank you.